Hi guys, very good evening. Welcome to SV Market Vlogs. This is our first video on SV Market Vlogs. We are going to discuss about Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty support and resistance levels weekly basis. Already we have doing daily analysis videos from past 2 years in Telugu language. Now I wanted to discuss this Nifty and Bank Nifty levels weekly basis in this YouTube channel named as SV Market Vlogs. Firstly, let us go with Nifty 50. Since it is our first video in SV Market Vlogs, actually we need to study the levels. So this is the overview video. We will be having a look on Nifty 50 levels. Firstly, we will partition this. This is 2024 and this is 2023. Actually, we are in July first week. So this is July 2023. In the last month of June, first time Nifty 50 had broke out from this level 19,000 round off mark for Nifty 50. So it is breakdown June last week. So after that, from 19,000 to 20,000 round off figure to hit this level. So this is June's last week and this is the level September second week. July, August, September. After 2.5 months, we have seen that from 19,000 level to 20,000 Nifty has been reached. When we are seeing here in the July third week, we can see the high as 19,991. It is just 10 points away from 20,000. Here we can see consolidation. So after this breakout from July to till November ending, 7th month and 11th month, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we can see 5 months of consolidation. And after 5 months of consolidation, in the same way how we have seen in June last week 19,000 breakout. So in the same way, in the November last week we have seen breakout from 20,000. After 5 months of consolidation, we have got the lead. So 20,000 mark it crossed. Since it is consolidated for 5 long months, so this consolidation breakout, after this consolidation breakout, it immediately reached to 21,000 round of mark also. So just 20,000 is breaked in November first week, and the next immediate week we can see it is closed nearly 21,000. It already touched 21,000 round of mark. So after that, within 2 weeks we can see the candle is completely closed above 21,000 level. So with this, what we can say means, if any much consolidation happens, then the breakout will be having good returns. Here we are seeing 5 months of consolidation. So after that, it just broke out. After breaking this level, so immediately it broke out 21,000 round of figure also. So then this 21,000 level, it acted as support. Here also in the 19,000 mark, after when it is closed with green candle, it acted as support. Here no other candle closed below 19,000 level. So every candle body is closed at 19,000 above only. So it means 19,000 level acted as strong support. So after this, we can see 21,000 level. It also acted as good support. And then, so from 21,000 level, actually when we are looking these candles, every candle is creating higher highs and higher lows. This pattern refers a bullish sign. So here in this candle, we can see the market opened above 22,000 level. This candle is on 15th Jan. From this candle, we can see this is 2024. When we are in 2024, the market started about 21,000 level, and already this 21,000 level, it converted as base support, and then and slowly from 21,000, here we can see multiple candles touching this 22,000 round of mark. When we can see clearly here, the first candle, the high is 22,124, and here also high is 22,126, here 22,053, and here 22,068. So consistently, except this candle, every candle touching this 22,000 level. So initially it acted as resistance. So after this multiple time hitting these candles, it converted as support. So that 22,000 mark, it converted as support in the second half of February. So here we can see complete green candle closing above 22,000 level. So this one candle, the opening is 21,990, just nearby the round off mark of 22,000 level. And when we are seeing this high, the high is 22,775. So similar way, here we can see 5 months of consolidation, 19,000 to 20,000. Here in the same way, when after hitting this 22,000 mark, the 22,000 mark is hitted on January 15 only. When we are looking from January first week, and this 23,000 level, it hitted in May 20 in this candle, 23,000 mark. So this is 15-1, and when we are observing this candle, we can see the candle opened on 25. So May 20 May. So from 15 January to May 20, it is 4 months of consolidation. We have seen 4 months of consolidation. Here also, when we seen 5 months of consolidation, it immediately breaked into from 20,000 to 22,000. It didn't take much time, but here also same situation. This 23,000 level, when it hit 23,000 level, so immediately next week candle, we can see the closing is 22,500. So after that, immediately next candle, that means June first week candle, this 23,000 level is converted as support. 23,000 level. This June first week, we have got so much of volatility due to elections results, central government election results. We have got the uncertainty in the stock market, so we can avoid this long tail. When we looking this candle, the body opening and closing is 22,337 and the closing also 22,300. It is nearly at 23,300 level. When we are looking as body, so now we can take granted 23,000 level as support, and now we will go deeply into the June July weekly candles. Let us erase this. Lastly, we have talked about 23,000 level, it acting as support, and in the June first week, the body opening and closing is around 23,300. So every candle body is staying above 23,300 only. Here we can see consolidation. When we compare these bodies, so here the market opening is 23,570. So it is less than 300 points range. So 3 weeks 300 points consolidation is there from 23,000. After this consolidation, immediately the next candle we have got the good breakout. This is the June last week candle. Here we can see market opening in this 300 points range only. The opening is 23,382. So we can take 23,380. And finally, in the last week, the closing also we can see it has 24,010. 24,010. This is closing. Now we are in second half of 2024. So in this, we can see the market opening at 23,992, which is nearby 24,000 mark. So we can take as round of figure 24,000 level. Market opened on this level in this July first week, and the closing is far better. It is all-time high closing for Nifty 50, and the closing is 24,323. 24,323 closing. Already this consolidation phase, we have seen that 23,300 to 23,600. In between this range, the consolidation happened. The closing of this third week, we can see it as 23,500, and high of this week is 24,400. Just in 1 month, we can see 1,000 points rarely in the Nifty 50. Because to reach 23,000 level, so it's taken so much of time. From 22,000 to 23,000 level, it taken nearly 4 months of consolidation, which we have seen just before. Presently, the market is at all-time high. Just we need to observe in this week how the Nifty 50 will be settling. Does the rally continues or it will be facing a consolidation or not? This is our study with Nifty 50.